Myself Chandan from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, BE of Branch Information Science and Engineering, subject software testing. In this video, let's learn about the topic slice-based testing, guidelines and observation. Introduction to slice-based testing. The slice-based testing involves preparing a subset or slices of program with respect to selected variables and location. It contains the portion of code that contributes the value of a variable at any given point. It leverages the approach by taking a specific point of interest with the code and meticulously analyzing the program to identify all the statements. History of slice-based testing. Slice-based testing was originally proposed by Wiseau and Galjo. It was used to maintain the software. It is useful in software like software debugging, software maintenance, program understanding, quantification of functional cohesion. Slicing criteria. A criteria for slicing in a program specifies a window for observing its behavior, where a window specifies as a statement and set of variables, which allows the observation of values of specified variables before execution of particular statement. For example, x, 24 is that value of x at line 24. Testing definition. Starting point in a program P with program graph GP and set V of variables in program P. Nodes in the program graph are numbered and correspond to statement fragments. Definition. The slice on the variable set V at statement fragment n written as SV, S of V, N is the set of node number of all statement fragment in P prior to n that contributes the value of variables in V at statement fragment n. This is a backward slice. Exercise define a forward slice. So let's see the alternative definition for program slicing. For statement S and variable V, the slice of program P with respect to slicing criteria S, V includes all those statements of P needed to contribute or even influence to the behavior of V and S. Formal definition of slice-based testing. Given a program P, a program graph V of P in which statements are numbered and a set V of variable in P. The slice on the graph set V at statement n, S of V, N. The set node or line number of all statement fragments in P prior to n that contribute to the value of variable in V at statement fragment n. Informal definition of slice-based testing. Slice-based testing is a technique which divides a program into components or slices. It refers to a set of program statements that may affect the computation of variable V at statement S. Style and techniques of slice-based testing. In slice-based testing, program can be decomposed into a set of mini programs or functions which can be easier to test. The main goal of my slice-based testing are the complex program can be minimized into smaller or simpler way. It can be difficult using do paths because do paths are sequence that includes both statements as well as variables. Properties of slice. There are two properties in a slice. Slice must obtain from the original program by statement of deletion, or else it can be as behavior of the slice must correspond to the behavior of the program as well. Lattice of slices. We can find slices that are subset of other slices because it's a set of statement fragment numbers. This allows us to work backward from the point in the program. The statement leading to the value of commission when its output are an excellent example of this pattern. It is good for the programmers to debug the code. Programming with slices. Programming with slices can be explained as: first, code a slice, compile and test it. Next, it codes another slide, compile and test it. Then slice the two slides. The process continues until the program is complete. Like this way, program with slices works. Why slicing can be used? Slicing can be used and it's important for debugging, testing, differencing, program understanding, software maintenance, complexity measurement, program integration, reverse engineering, software quality assurance, and so on. Diagnostic testing with slices. Relative complements of slices yield a diagnostic capability. The relative complement of a set B with respect to another set A is a set of all elements of A that are not element of B. It is denoted as A to the P, A to B. Good rules of thumb for slice-based testing. Never make a slice S of V, N for which variable V equal to capital V. Don't appear in the statement fragment 10. Make slices on one variable. Make slices for all EDF nodes. Example S27. S of cells 3 to the power 6 equals 3, 4, 5, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 36. Make slice for P use node because the slice shows how predictable variable gets its value. Stay away from non-P use slices. Consider make slices compilable. Observational slicing. Cognitive psychologist refers to the phenomena as thin slicing, by which an experience or observational reveals as immediate recognition of a familiar pattern. Within 5 seconds, individual characteristics are often visible or inferred through the thin slice peephole. Different types of program slicing. There are 3 types of program slicing. They are static, dynamic, and conditioned slicing. There are 3 kinds of slicing methods. They are traditional, multi-direction, and non-layer-wise slicing method. Below figure shows how slicing method works. Difference between split and slicing in Python. Splits divides a string into smaller parts based on the character or pattern, whereas slicing extracts a portion of a string directly by specifying both start and end point. Principles of slicing. The principle of slicing machine is based on the action of shearing by blades and other types of cutter. Number of authors have undergone the studies of principle of slicing and slicing machine. Advantages of slicing are it does not cause unintentional changes for the programmers who are altering the software. Slicing helps to decompose program which is testing. It makes test work faster and more efficient. Slicing based on the particular slice criteria. Disadvantages of slicing are condition or situation that causes problem, especially one that causes something or someone to be less successful than other thing. Dynamic slice of a program contains all the statements that actually affect the value of a variable at any point for a particular. Conclusion. Program slicing is a technique for simplifying program by focusing on selected aspects of semantics. Static, dynamic, conditioned, and inference slicing are main form of slice. Static slicing, constructed by deleting irrelevant parts of the program. Nothing about input. Program dependence graphs can be used. Dynamic slicing, construct a slice which exploit the information available about the input which cause the program to go wrong. There are many applications such as debugging, cohesion measurement, comprehension, maintenance, and so on.